Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the glider in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. First, you'll need to complete the initial tutorial area, known as the Great Sky Island. This involves progressing through 4 main shrines, which will teach you essential new abilities. Once you've mastered these, make your way to the Temple of Time, located at the very highest point of the island. This is a crucial first step on your journey to soaring through the skies. As you ascend towards the Temple of Time, you'll use your recently gained powers to overcome various obstacles. There will be several environmental puzzles to solve, guiding you to the grand entrance. Once inside, you'll find the final shrine of the Great Sky Island. Completing this shrine is essential, as it marks the culmination of your training on this floating landmass and prepares you for what comes next. After successfully completing the final shrine, you will have acquired all the necessary abilities from the Great Sky Island. Your next task is to approach the massive, sealed doors located within the Temple of Time. Interacting with these doors will trigger a pivotal cutscene, revealing more about the unfolding narrative. This moment is a key turning point, setting the stage for your descent to the land below. Once the important cutscene concludes, you'll be prompted to take a leap of faith from the Great Sky Island. As you begin your descent, you will be granted 2 vital items, the Pura Pad and, most importantly, the glider. This incredible tool allows you to safely and gracefully float down to the expansive world of Hyrule below, opening up countless new adventures for you to explore.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.